showing you a tool called compressor, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really have a real name. And we're going to be decompressing this toggle flash file. It's all it is a button. So if you want to see it, it just says turn on, turn off, turn off, turn on. So we're going to close this. I don't know why it does the background like that. And we're going to open up the tool. So we have the tool right here. You can expand it, whatever. So what you want to do is you're going to choose this file right here, this button toggle. You're going to go to choose file, button toggle, open, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So just put button decom or some shit. Go to save, and you can't see it. I did fuck up because you gotta type in .swf. So let me delete that. And you want to choose file again. Button toggle. Select location for download. So button toggle. Wait. Button decom. .swf. So now we have this saved. It should be a flash file. That's the WAV file. There we go. So we have our normal one and our decompressed one. See if I told down here. Now what you need to do is you open up HXD. So first I'm going to show you the file that's not decompressed. This is what it looks like. It has CWS. You know, it gives you a little heart and shit. And you can't really read anything in it. Like, there may be very few words in here that you could make out, but you can't really read shit. So we got our decompressed one over here. We'll just load that up, and you see FWS. It's a little satanic file. So after you have this loaded up, you can see it has everything that's inside the flash file. This one you can't read shit. So go to decompressed one. And what you're gonna want to do is minimize this. You might want to keep this up because you're gonna have to recompress it afterwards. So go to your Flash decompiler, and let's load up our compressed one. Now that we have this opened up, open this and look for something that you may be like. It may be easily found. So one was this button label placement. It's only located in 3 different areas, which is right here, right here, right here, and once more. I forgot what the other one was. If you don't know where they're placed at, all you gotta do is just search text. Don't ignore the case, and put the name of the class right over here. So button, label, place. So you search for it, and you should only find it in 2 files. Or if you're searching the same one as me. I mean, you might not have this file. I could provide it, but there's no point in it unless you want to use it for practice. So if you search here, you have it right here, and you can see right here. If you go to here, the label button, it has it down here. Give me a second, gotta find it again. Button label placement. So that's the one that we don't want to. I mean, maybe we should change it, because the only thing I don't understand is why it uses this, because that's a class over there, but it's not importing it. So if it's not importing it, it could be using it from another class, but if we replace it, it could fuck something up. So we can try and find something else. Focus manager. We can try and change button upskin. So if you search, don't ignore it, button underscore upskin, and you'll find it in 2. So you'll find it in the class that we're in, and you'll find it in base button. I'm guessing this is where it kind of checks for the classes. So what you want to do is you want to go to your hex editor, make sure you're in the decompressed file, and you're going to want to go to search, and I was going to look up this one, but I'm not. We're going to look up button upskin. So do button underscore upskin, case sensitive, and you find it right here. If you search it again, button upskin, so you can only find it twice. So what you want to do, give me 1 second. Okay, what you're going to want to do is find some special characters, which could be most of these. If you want to put like maybe this, or just something that's not common. So look for something. I'll probably use this with the U or the E, whatever. Maybe this. So we'll copy that, and we'll go down. So you can see the name of this class right here is button underscore upskin. So what you want to do is go to, scroll the way up, make sure you just like kind of hold this down there. Because if you don't highlight up here and you're highlighted down here, so say you come all the way over here, and you're right here, right at the end, and you scroll all the way up and you try to search for, like, say it says flash right there. So let's take off case sensitive. If you look, it won't find it because it's searching forward from here. That's why I say just come up here and click right here. Now what you want to do is you want to go to replace and do button underscore upskin. So now what you want to do is you want to paste that special character that you just copied. You want to replace this with that, but it has to be the same amount of characters. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I believe. And it is case sensitive, so it replaced 2 occurrences. We'll do it one more time just to make sure. Now we will save this, so it's saved to the file. Now you can put this down. Now remember, it says it right here, and so I'm gonna, oh I know, it says it right here, button upskin, and it says it right here. I don't understand why it only found 2 occurrences if there's 1, 2, and then there's the third one and the other one. So we'll see what happens right now. So after it's saved, you're going to open up your tool again, and you're going to go to choose file, look for button decompressed. You're going to open it and you're going to save it as button compressed if you want. Make sure you save it as a .swf because it does say all files. So save that, and now you have button compressed. So I'm going to go back to our hex editor, and we're going to open up button compressed. You can see it's now compressing it. So let's go ahead and close that. I mean, you could keep it open if you want. We're going to go to our hex editor, our flash decompiler. You close that, and you're going to open up your compressed one. If you go to scripts, here's your file. Now we can go to search, and we can look for button underscore skin. and it doesn't find it anywhere. That doesn't exist anymore. This is the version, like this is the new name of it. So if you try and edit something, just put a space and backspace. So it's exactly how it was. You try to save it, and I don't know why it's working. Maybe we use this character we weren't supposed to use, but what this is supposed to do, these aren't supposed to be like saved. If you try and save it, it's not supposed to let you it's not supposed to like let you recompile it. Like say you edit this and you change it in any way. So like you just type in anything. Maybe if I can comment I'll fuck it up, I don't know. This isn't supposed to like recompile. It's supposed to be more of a string obfuscation, so they can't read this and see what it is, but your file still recognizes it. So I don't believe this is gonna work anymore. I mean, it is gonna work. It's because it's recompiled. If it was decompressed, I don't think it works. I guess it does. But this tool does work. Most people it won't recompile for them. Maybe it's it was so think that you can't do shit with it. But I know in JPEGs, most flash files that people use in it, I mean if they have this little obfuscation, it won't work. So we have button compressed, so you can turn it on. Go to the action script over here, and you can load it up, and it looks like this. So you can use that to like sort of hide your class names or whatever you want to do. But I don't know why it's not working right now. What it's supposed to do is it's just supposed to tell you that you have an error on a certain line. So maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe I didn't use a certain character that I was supposed to use. But usually it picks this character up as like an error. So maybe if I try to search this, see what happens. Tools, search text, here, and search. So it just finds the class. Try editing this. See, it says it's saved successfully, even though it's not supposed to. Yeah, that's about it though. I mean, I guess you could say this tutorial kind of failed, but then it kind of worked at the same time. Because with most flash files, it's supposed to give you that error. But I didn't get the error, so that's the part that kind of failed at this tutorial. But if you just want to change your class names to illegal characters, which it won't let you do in like it won't let you do it in here. You can't rename. Also, it won't let you compile it in like a development thing. So if you try and develop a game or anything and you use this little obfuscation, it'll help you out a little bit for people trying to steal your work. One thing that you'll probably have to learn to go along with this is encryption, which there is a library for encrypting your games or whatever you want to do. It's called AS3 Crypt, I think. I'm not completely sure. I haven't used it yet. If I do use it, I'll probably make a tutorial on how it works. But yeah, if you can figure out encryption and use this obfuscation, it'll help you out for protecting your Flash games or protecting any hacks you've made. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comment below. If you try it, tell me how it's working for you. Tell me if you get the error or not. That should be it. I should be having a few more uploads coming up tonight as well. It's 3 in the morning right now. I'll probably try and hack another game, maybe a speed hack, or maybe just a full-on like normal speed video of me talking and hacking a game at the same time. I'm not sure, but that should be it though. So just comment, like, subscribe, whatever the fuck you want to do. That's it.